ready for the world's clumsiest competition, the first ever Robot Olympics in China. The race is on. Look at those robo legs go. That one is pretty good, huh? Oh no, one robot almost makes it at hurdling. Oops! And there's the world's slowest faceplant. Don't worry, folks. He's okay. Just slightly more flat than before. Now they're playing soccer. Look at that teamwork. Or maybe chaos. The ball's over there, guys. Wait, not that way. And down they go like dominoes, 5 robots stacked like pancakes. No medals for these robots.
Robots tumble, bears gobble. Ready to meet the champion of Chunk?
Look at this bear. Can you believe how huge he is? This is massive Chunk, the champion of Fat Bear Week. He is 1,200 pounds and his belly jiggles like jelly. This isn't about shaming bears, it's about survival. These massive bears live in Alaska and are prepping for a giant 5-month nap called hibernation. They have to eat tons of salmon to double their weight and build up enough fat because they won't eat or drink anything all winter long. Massive Chunk is happily catching leaping salmon with its paws. He sure gained a lot of weight between spring and fall. The bears might not know they won, but we humans sure had a blast picking the chubbiest champion. Chunk just won the crown for the chubbiest bear, rolling in salmon like a fuzzy tank. And next, your teeth are about to get cozy. We all know where wool comes from, and we use it to make warm winter clothes. Guess what else it could be used for? Toothpaste! Scientists have created a brand new toothpaste that actually contains wool fibers. Don't worry, it's not for eating. It's specially treated to repair cracks on your teeth. The secret is a protein in wool called keratin, the same protein that makes up our fingernails and hair. This wool toothpaste could fight cavities and even make your teeth sparkle. Next time, maybe scientists will discover a way to turn fingernails into toothpaste too. Who thinks wool toothpaste is weird? Raise your hand. Now let's go deep in the ocean and look at something weird. Imagine following a tiny fish as it dives deeper and deeper into the dark, cold ocean. The sunlight fades, the water gets icy. Deep in the darkest parts of the ocean where sunlight barely reaches, scientists discovered a brand new super tiny fish, and it's unbelievably cute. Meet the snailfish, a wiggly, squishy little creature with big round eyes and a body that curls up just like a snail. It's so small and soft you might think it belongs in a fishy pillow store. This mysterious deep sea explorer lives thousands of meters below the waves, where it's freezing cold and way, way quiet. No wonder it's so shy. It probably never sees anyone. If toothpaste can come from sheep, maybe next week my socks will brush my teeth. Subscribe and see you next Friday.